Hello children, this side Ma'am Varsha and this is the fifth lecture of Political Lesson 1 Power Sharing. In our previous classes we have discussed and we have learnt about that the case study of both countries Sri Lanka and Belgium and how the power sharing is run in these countries. We saw that in Belgium, the power is shared between both the communities equally and they avoided the reason of confliction. While in other hand we saw that in Sri Lanka the power is given to the majority of the country and that caused the confliction in the country and there was a civil war in the country. So after studying both the condition of both countries Sri Lanka and Belgium, now we understood that why power sharing is desirable. Children, power sharing क्यों ज़रूरी है? Power sharing is desirable because the unity of the country is possible only by representing or respecting the feelings and interest of different communities and religions. Okay children, so means the people, those who are all the civilians and the citizens of the country, though they are belonging to any communities, any religion, all of their feelings, their interest should be respect and should give the equal right, equal protection. Only then unity can be formed in the country. Okay children, in Sri Lanka we have seen that there was a contrasting example, okay, because their power is not being shared between all the communities, means the power is given only to the majority of the country and that's why that was the reason of civil war in the country which destroyed the country completely. Okay, reasons behind for sharing the power. It reduces fight and conflicts between social groups. बच्चों जब एक country में जो भी social groups है means social groups means that they belonging to the though they are maybe vulnerable and non-vulnerable, so they are belonging from the different social groups. They can be majority of the society or can be minority. So it reduces if power has been shared or distributed among in all the areas of the society or all the section of the society, then it avoids the chances of the conflicts between the groups. Second, it is a good way to ensure the spirit of democracy. Children, democracy in the democratic country, it is must that democracy तभी possible है जब power को share किया जाए, यानी power एक के हाथ में ना होकर वहाँ जो उसके organs हैं और जो common people हैं उनके हाथ में power का होना. Third, power sharing is the spirit of democracy. As already we have discussed, people have right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. Children, means we choose our representative, means indirectly we are governing ourselves. हम खुद ही अपना शासन चला रहे हैं. As we are choosing our representative, they lead us, okay, and they are forming the government and through that they run the administration of our country. So indirectly we are governing ourselves. Okay children. Now children, in our country democracy, that the forms of power sharing. Now this is your last topic of your chapter, forms of power sharing. Okay children, so if we talk about our country democracy, so सबसे पहले तो हम democracy के principles के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. Its first principle is that people are the sources of all its principal powers. Means जो लोग हैं वो ही अपने सबसे ज़्यादा वहाँ पर पावरफुल है. इन द डेमोक्रेसी द पीपल आर द मोस्ट पावरफुल organ of the democracy. Next is people rule themselves through the institution of self-governance. Already we have discussed, and there every and each group is given respect and equality. And In democracy, everybody has equal share in shaping public policies. So children, let's begin the forms of power sharing in our country. The first is that, children, it is the horizontal power sharing. As you can see in the figure, this power is shared in its three main organs. It is called horizontal power sharing बच्चों, क्योंकि यह एक ही लेवल पर दिया हुआ है, because they are level at the same place. So children, here these organs, the legislature, in this children, in the legislature, the parliament and legislative assembly की जो members हैं, the members of legislative assembly and parliament, they forms the law. वो कानून बनाते हैं, नियमों को बनाने का काम करते हैं. Children, next is executive. In executive, children, this organ hold the powers. ये power को hold करता है, and the laws which legislature organ is making, it has the power to implement. वो उसको implement करने का काम executive organ करता है. इसमें बच्चों हमारा prime minister, finance minister और ministers होते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज आर्स जुडिशियरी. जुडिशियरी मीन्स बच्चों इसका काम है देखना कि अच्छे से फॉलो हो रहा है, या जो कानून वगैरह है, नियम है, हो रहे हैं नहीं हो रहे. एंड इट इंक्लूड्स चिल्ड्रन कोर्ट्स लाइक सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट, एसेट्रा. Children, next form is vertical form of power sharing. Children, in this the government has been categorized or has been shared at the different level. The power has been shared at the different level. सबसे नीचे जो हम देख रहे हैं, it is the local government. Children, local government means in the villages like panchayat samitis and etc. This type of administration or the government, they are called the local government. And you just above can see that state government. State government means children, state governments means different state, as we have a different state in our country. So that वो state उसी के लिए, जैसे हम through the election we choose the chief minister of that state government. So that chief minister will govern or will look the administration or these affairs for that particular state. And next is central government. It is also called the union government. Children, so हमारे जितने भी कंट्री में हमारे जितने भी स्टेट्स हैं, जितने भी यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं, ऑल द 7 यूनियन टेरिटरीज, ये सब कुछ इसके अंतर्गत आते हैं, और इन सभी में सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट उसको गवर्न करता है. एंड इसके अंदर सभी हमारे जो कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स हैं वो सभी आते हैं. एंड चिल्ड्रन, अबाउट दैट द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट इज़ ऑल्सो देयर. उसके अंतर्गत बच्चों ऑल 3 लेवल, सेंट्रल, स्टेट एंड लोकल गवर्नमेंट, वो सब आते हैं. एंड उसका जो हेड होता है बच्चों, वो होता है प्रेसिडेंट. सो दिस वाज द पावर शेयरिंग एज द वर्टिकल एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. Children, next is power share among different social groups. As children, we already learned that in the society or in the country we have different social groups. So it is very important to share the power among these social groups also to form the unity in the country. In this, power is shared by different linguistic and socially weaker section, minority groups, religious groups, etc. Children, हमने बेल्जियम का एग्जाम्पल पढ़ा था. वहाँ पे the power is given equally to the French speaker, as we have seen the linguistic difference. अगर हम हमारी कंट्री की बात करें children, तो here also we had reservation for the weaker section of the society in the constitution or in the government. We have some reservation for them. So it is very important to share the power to these social groups. Next is children, power shared among political parties, pressure groups and movement. तो इसमें बच्चे जो पावर है वो हमारी जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज है, डिफरेंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज है, चाहे फोर्स में है वो पार्टी, चाहे अपोजिशन में है, दे हैव पावर इन देयर हैंड. सो व्हाट इज दिस बच्चों? दिस एंश्योर्स दैट पावर डज नॉट रिमेन इन वन हैंड. दे रिप्रेजेंट्स डिफरेंट आइडियोलॉजीज एंड सोशल ग्रुप्स. यहाँ पे हम अब बच्चों हम एक इलेक्शन के थ्रू हम पार्टीज के डिफरेंट आइडियाज़ और पॉलिसीज़ के बारे में हम जानते हैं. And through the elections, children's these political parties they represent different ideologies and policies through their representative, and we choose and we change through the elections. We change the power or these political parties. Means it means that power does not remain in one hand. Opposition party, they always play a role as a watchdog. So it criticizes the policies of the present government and make the people aware about that. Hope you have understood this lesson. So let's a quick review of our this lesson. In first lecture or in the first lecture we have discussed about the Belgium. हमने उसमें देखा that the community or was divided into two section, French and डच स्पीकिंग पीपल, और उन दोनों में ही इक्वली पावर को शेयर किया गया था एंड दे अवॉइडेड द कन्फ्लिक्शन बिटवीन दैट. एंड इन सेकेंड वी हैव सीन दैट द केस स्टडी ऑफ श्रीलंका. वहाँ हमने देखा जो पावर थी वो मेजोरिटी के हाथ में थी और मेजोरिटेरियनिज्म के कारण ही वहाँ पर जो था सिविल वॉर शुरू हुआ. देन वी हैव सीन कि वाई देयर इज़ अ नीड ऑफ पावर शेयर, बिकॉज वी हैव सीन दैट व्हेन द पावर इज शेयर्ड इक्वली बिटवीन द groups of the country or the community of the countries, then can be only the unity and can be the peace and order in the country or the society. तो हमने देखा कि पावर शेयरिंग क्यों ज़रूरी है. then we have learned about the different forms of the power sharing. Hope you have understood this lecture. Now it's your turn. You have to answer these questions and you have to write in your economics copy why power sharing is important in a democratic country and describe the power sharing arrangements in modern democracy. In this lesson, this much only. See you in next class. Bye.